Honey.
We're not in the woods in Conway, but we do have some wildlife.
I want it to let me scratch its head. It probably won't, though.
Huh?
It probably won't let me scratch it.
It probably wouldn't, but I'm sure you could catch it if you tried. Run down there and see if you can grab him and take that feral rabbit and make it tame. What do you think?
Probably. I probably could, though.
Yeah, sure you could. So, good morning, Mr. Rabbit. What's up, Bugs? All right, see ya.
Morning, we are in Mama Restoration's garden. Can't even see it all. There's Mama Restoration and Shutterbug. Shutter, can you say hi, Buggy? Can you say hi, Buggy? Say hello to the people. That's my little brother. Let's take a garden stroll. For her birthday, how many caladium bulbs did I buy you?
120.
120. From the Vidalia Garden Club. We planted them Monday and they're starting to come up. They're everywhere. I'm not going to take you and show you everywhere they are. Oh, there's our resident garden friend, Toby. Hi, Toby. Isn't it beautiful? This is her little backyard oasis. You should see these azaleas when they're blooming in the spring. Hydrangea is about to bloom. Some over there already blooming.
Did you find Donald and Douglas?
Donald and Douglas? I didn't find Donald and Douglas.
Duncan and Douglas.
Duncan and Douglas. Those are her garden gnomes that she got yesterday. We'll have to go on a Duncan and Douglas hunt.
Ah, Toby likes Chick-fil-A too.
Yeah, the tomato.
I'm eating this tomato this man gave me.
I gave him a whole bunch of grapes and he just ignored them.
Well, he hates your grapes and he loves my tomato. Me and Toby, we're like that. Yeah. Yeah, that's good stuff. Are grapes acceptable? Yeah, that's pretty good.
Oh, now he's going to use grapes?
Well, I like it best when that man feeds it to me. This channel is more like an animal content channel than a house restoration channel. You must love old houses and animals.
But surely you can find some more.
This is your close-up of a weird head of a turtle eating a grape. It's like a dinosaur. Are you a dinosaur, Toby? We also have a Toby that works for us, and then a Toby Toby the turtle. Oh, it happened. What happened, Toby? Put some on your eye. No pictures, please. Is that what you say?
Yeah.
Buddy. You see what's happened?
I see what's happened.
Mama, you probably just need to ride in the back seat.
Uh-huh.
Me and Daddy, we're going to ride up front.
Yep.
We're cruising.
Yep.
Yeah.
Jack, did you take Mama's seat?
Yeah.
Did you take Mama's chair?
Just a little bit.
So Mama and Beans are in the back seat. Daddy and Jack are in the front seat.
Oh, we got a good report on these two.
These two are good and healthy.
Good and healthy.
Got some dirty teeth. We got to have a dental done on this one because we got stinky breath. But this one, the doctor just said, yeah, he's just bad.
His teeth are getting a little dirty. They need to be brushed.
He's just a bad dog. 100% certified bad dog.
Certified too smart for his own good.
Yes, human
Yeah.
and dog form.
Yep.
Jack, can you say hello to everybody? Yeah. Do they know why he's named Jack?
because we found him on the golf course, and I named him after Jack Nicklaus.
Yes.
Should we tell the story of getting Jack?
Sure.
So we were staying at Auburn at the time, and there's a golf course right behind Auburn, and so we would go back there and walk sometimes. And we were back there walking around, and this little dog right here was following some people around playing frisbee golf, I think.
Yep.
And we said, "Oh, could we pet your dog?" We didn't have any dogs with us that time.
Mm-hmm.
Said, "Could we pet your dog?" And they said, "That's not our dog. He's just following us around." So then he followed us around for the next year.
3 years.
Oh, he doesn't have his seatbelt on.
He doesn't have his seatbelt on. Oh no. Passenger doesn't have his
So
seatbelt
we
on.
found him on the golf course and said his name is Jack.
Yeah. One of many rescue dogs. Isn't that right, Jack? Isn't that right, buddy? Yeah. And then there's this little man. This little man. Oh goodness, are you embarrassed to be on
Do you
camera?
remember his official name?
Rocky's little Dillio. Of course I do. But I go by Beans.
Rocky's little Dillio.
Yes.
His daddy was the #1 Pomeranian, wasn't he? Looked
Yeah.
like for a while.
And so was he.
And so was he.
Very fancy boy.
Went to all the dog shows, won best of show like
Yes.
5 or 6 times.
Did you go to Westminster? You sure did. We should show him video of you at Westminster. Mama's got it. We'll show him.
So no, I'm telling them to.
Oh.
There we go.
There we go. Jesse looks like he's about to throw up. There you go, buddy. Go get him. Go get him, little man. Look at that movement. Okay.
More nature. This hawk has a snake. I don't know if you can see.
I think it ate the snake.
Like ate a whole snake just now.
Yeah, it doesn't have the snake anymore, and it was swallowing a second
I mean,
ago.
this is 20 feet from our house.
Yeah. Huge red-tailed hawk.
Was there still a little snake
Oh, I
down there?
think there's a little snake in its foot.
Yeah. Nature, nature, nature.
This is more nature than we get at
I
the
know.
farm.
How many acres do we have here?
Just one.
Oh,
This is what we do when we come home. Kevin is up fixing spots where little squirrels have decided they want to come in the attic, and they're just chewing their way into the house. So he's getting to go all the way around every side of the house, fill holes, patch holes. Hopefully we'll get it painted. If not, it'll at least be patched so the squirrels can't get in. But it is unbelievable how quickly these little buggers will take over. Hello. Up he goes. We can't hear you, but we can see you.
Lane, you want to tell them? She's cleaning.
I'm cleaning. I'm cleaning this filthy, nasty
Yeah.
house. Like I'm literally cleaning the walls.
So I just read a comment from somebody cleaning the walls.
Yes, they're
Oh my
nasty.
gosh. So we just got a comment from somebody saying, why in the world did they think Lane would be lasagna?
Did you not tell them?
And we didn't tell them. So we need to tell them the story behind the naming of the cakes.
You know what's sad is I don't really remember how it
I
started.
don't either. I feel like it's been like 10 years.
Oh, I think it's been longer than that.
You think it's been longer than that?
I
I think that one of our names, I can't remember which one,
I think it was
got
Kinvin.
misspelled.
I think they put Kinvin on your birthday cake. And then from there, it became a thing to always put the wrong name on the birthday cake.
Yes.
So, and not just the wrong name, but like most of the time, it's not even a birthday cake. Like
Yeah.
Kevin has had not a bat mitzvah cake
Yeah.
or bar mitzvah cake. He's also had not his 50th birthday cake when he turned 50. You've done some for me that were
I
funny.
thought I did the bat mitzvah, but
No, yours was not a bar because yours was not a bar mitzvah.
I know.
Did
So
you
we
do
get the
one?
holiday wrong and the name wrong
Yes.
on purpose every time. Crazier the better.
Yes.
We just think it's hilarious.
It's a thing that people without children do to entertain themselves.
Is that?
That's it.
I don't think if you have children or you don't have children, either way,
Either way, it matters.
it's still fun.
Yeah, we love it, and we always love to see what the other one put on the birthday
Yes.
cake for the spouse.
Yes.
So it's so fun. So lasagna, that was a good one.
So that's why. And I had lasagna for lunch that day. So there's the story.
There's the story.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.